Hi, we are from Peru, and we are very pleased to be here in this amazing place in the Maha Kumbh Mela. After 144 years, we are reunited in this place, this powerful place for all the humanity. And here in this place, we come in to contribute with the energy of this Yantra. So we are very happy to be here, contribute, and also we came with on representation of our country. I came in representation of Peru, and I have a collective that is called Pachajunay, and we are a community that also work with raising the consciousness and united the energy. So we are very happy to be here, and yeah, like I invite all the people to get together, and we can become one to work with the Mother Earth, to work with the all entities and all gods that are sacred in this place in India as well. I am very happy, very pleased to be in this Pachamama, India. And yes, it's a pleasure to me for stay here and also share this energy with all of you. Thank you so much.